In the next episode, Teoman identity crisis will become more powerful than his rivalry with success. After hearing the name Demi from survival different people, he will lock himself away and begin searching his own childhood memory. He will find that every family photograph before a certain age is missing. Even his school record began survival month later. Then Sipnam always claimed when he confronted her, she will avoid direct answer and say that blood does not make a family. Tuma realized this sentence is not a comfort, it is a confession. He will leave the villa and go to the orphanage camp, but he will not tell Aras when he has learned. Instead, he will challenge Aras to describe them. Aras will speak about a little boy who hated hunger, had food in his left hand, and had a small scar behind his ear after the incident. Teoman will quietly touch the scar hidden by his hair. A storm will begin, and the sound of thunder will trigger a memory so strong that he barely stands in the memory. Young Aras is calling him Demi will adult to pull them apart. Teoman refused to accept it because accepting Aras as his brother mean accepting that his entire life was bullied by people who has lied to him. Aras will not pressure him. He will say that he searched for Demir. Teoman refused accept because accepting Aras as his brother means accepting that his entire life was bullied by people who lied to him. Aras will not pressure him, will not that he has searched for them for years, but he will not force Teoman to become someone he is not ready to go. This kindness will hurt Teoman more than anger. Meanwhile, Dennis will decide to leave the emotional triangle behind. She will arouse that her feelings were real, but she will not turn them into a weapon against Layla. She will then stand beside Juman not as a romantic reward but as the only person willing to challenge him without abandoning him. Layla will also show maturity by thanking Dennis for protecting the truth. Their unexpected respect will remove Sibna's ability to control them through jealousy. Sibna will respond by announcing that Tuman will be spent abroad for his safety. Hakam will object, knowing this is an attempt to remove him before the truth become public. Tuman will pretend to agree, but secretly plan to steal his full adoption file before leaving. Aras and Layla will help him enter the family achieve. Inside, they will find and involved with two DNA reports. One show a strong family connection between Aras and Tuman. The second show that the sample label Tuman belonged to someone else. This means somebody anticipated the investigation and prepared false evidence.